So this is the oil in place distribution. Down there we have low oil in place, of course, and up there we have relatively high or the highest oil saturation, oil in place compared to, oh no, sorry. We have higher in place there because of course we have a thicker layer. Okay, and then mobile oil in place, gas in place, and so on and so forth. Okay, and another thing is fluid properties. This is for the relative permeability for oil-water system. We constructed using Cori function. All right. And you can see here, if I show the Cori, we have Cori WO, Cori WO, and you can see SWL is minimal water saturation, 0.316471. This value, maximal water saturation, this value, critical water saturation, this value, and so on and so forth. For, for water oil and gas oil system, we both use, these two correlations for these two systems. Okay, and for PVT, water, oil, gas, we will discuss it maybe later in the next video. This is raw compressibility already in the dataset. PBVD, all right. Depth versus bubble point pressure, I still make it blank, but of course we can modify it later. Density in PVT section later on, and this is the RP, relative permeability for water, and relative permeability for oil. Okay. All right. Equilibrium. The datum, the top of the reservoir, 2660. You don't need to use top of reservoir always to set the datum. No, you can set the datum at any depth actually, but it is better, technically speaking, to use, an important depth as datum, like top reservoir, middle reservoir, or even bottom reservoir. Okay, you just need to know at certain depth what is the pressure. Okay, so that's why you call it datum depth. Okay, in this case, I use top reservoir for my datum. So datum depth 260, 2660. At that location, we have reservoir pressure of this. This is the water oil contact, the GOC. It happens to be the same with the datum in this case. And then initial fluid in place calculation accuracy minus 20. To know what this means, you need to open the manual. Okay, but of course, minus 20, it means something. It's not the accuracy will be, subtracted by 20. No, it has meaning. The negative value has meaning. You need to open the manual. Okay, initialize leaf oil, leaf black oil by RSVD, PBVD 1, yes. Type of initialization in compositional case, we select 1. 1 means something. Okay, I'm not going to explain it at this video, but you need to open the manual. Okay, so I'm going to stop it here. So the essence, the importance of this video is just to show you that we have a pretty simple data set here, and we have already constructed a model that can be run and can be used for study. In the next video, we are going to talk about the props, schedule, and later on we will run the model, and maybe we can also modify the model a little bit to change the heterogeneity, the permeability of a certain layer, the bubble point, or maybe other things. Okay, but for now, I think we can call it a day. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in next simple model videos. Thank you.